Welcome to the Equip4you maintenance tips, which is part of the Equip4you Care series. In this video is a Karcher SC4 steam cleaner. To undo the boiler cap, you can use the bottom of the lance. It fits smugly over the cap, and you can just turn and undo. When not using the steamer, always empty out the water from the boiler tank and the holding tank. This will prevent any limescale build up in the holding tank or the boiler tank. The SC4 comes with descaling powder to descale the boiler. To do so, fill the tank up with water, the boiler tank, not the holding tank. Pour the powder in, leave for 24 hours, and then empty out all the waste. Once that's done, the steamer is ready to use again. When in operation, don't yank the cord. Use the carry me handle.